Hey everybody, this is Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. Did you know that there's a bunch of places on the internet you can get apps from besides the Google Play Store that have a bunch of apps that aren't available on the Google Play Store and actually have apps that are modified so they work on some devices where apps from the Google Play Store won't work. And we're talking legitimate apps here. We're talking like Netflix and Tubi, not hacked versions either. So I'm giving you a few examples to let you know that you might want these options available to you on your device just in case you end up with a version of an app that decides to not function or work. This is true for even games and such too. I don't condone any kind of piracy, but I think these app stores are definitely needed for a lot of people because I've had to personally use them. And I think some people out there would greatly, benefit from the ability to use some of these app stores. So I'm going to actually show you the best way to get a hold of these different app stores and give you a couple of examples of these stores that I personally use myself. Let's go ahead and get started. To start off, I'm going to open up my Android emulator, MUN Play, and I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. If you want to know how to get MUN Play, I got a whole video on it in my YouTube channel, and I'll put a link up above for that. Now we're going to go ahead and type in Downloader, and Downloader is the app we're going to use, and it is a Play Store all in its own. It uses codes to allow you to get to locations on the internet to get apps. So there are lots of downloader codes for lots of apps. An easy Google search will grant you tons of codes to get all sorts of apps from tons of locations. We're going to put in one code here, and we're going to go ahead and show you one location that's called All Apps that comes directly from them, and you can see tons of Play Stores available there for you to install. Now what we have is an index of apps from another that shows the APK time. I'm installing that from that code that we just used and showing you how to actually install it. It's pretty easy. You click on it and click install. If you get an error, click again. Sometimes there'll be an error that'll come up once in a while on some of these, and you can see that this particular app has a ton of APKs in it as well. Really great stuff. Now let's go ahead and look at another code. We'll put in this code, and you're going to see that this goes to my OpenDrive account with a couple of apps on it. This is just giving you an idea of what other codes you can use. Now if you want to set up your own free OpenDrive with your own APKs, you can do that, and I got a video on that too. There'll be a link up above for that. Now what we have is I'm showing you Aptoide. Aptoide is a app store that has tons of apps in it, games, you name it, all kinds of apps. So this is a great addition to your Play Store from Google that will allow you to even update apps directly from Aptoide as well. There is an Aptoide TV store for TV devices also, so you can get the separate Aptoide TV store also if you want that one for a Fire TV device or an Android or Google TV device. Now I'm showing you loading another one called AppLink, and that said it had an update, so I thought I would show that to you. If you get an app that says it has an update, go ahead and update it. You're probably going to need to update it before the app will work properly, so go ahead and do that. Again, use all of these at your own discretion, and make sure that you're careful, because there could be apps in here that are bad apps that could cause you issues. I'm not trying to tell you that this is 100% safe at all. I'm just saying it's good to know about these options out there so that you have the ability to try to go and find an app when you have trouble with one coming from the official Google Play Store, which also is riddled with its own issues with apps that have tons of ads and malware in them as well. So you guys all have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.